Today I am reviewing BEASTCOM Q3 Gaming Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a Prebuilt gaming PC that delivers great value, solid performance, and a premium look without breaking the bank, the BEASTCOM Q3 Gaming PC Desktop computer deserves your attention. Designed for gamers, creators, and anyone who wants a fast, stylish, and reliable computer, this system is built to perform out of the box. No setup headaches, no compromises. At the heart of the BEASTCOM Q3 is the AMD Ryzen 5 3400G processor, one of the best all-around CPUs for gaming and multitasking in its class. With a base clock speed of 4.2 GHz and boost speeds up to 4.6 GHz, this quad-core processor handles everything from modern games to productivity apps with ease. What makes it even more impressive is the integrated Radeon Vega 11 graphics. You don't need a dedicated GPU to enjoy smooth gaming in popular titles like Fortnite, Valorant, GTA V, and Apex Legends at 1080p resolution. For casual gamers or those looking to build a future-ready setup, the Q3 is an excellent choice to start with. One of the biggest advantages of the BEASTCOM Q3 is its price-to-performance ratio. BEASTCOM has clearly focused on offering the maximum power at a reasonable price. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, streaming, or just working from home, this system keeps things running smoothly thanks to its 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and 1 TB M2 NVMe SSD. That's a fast and spacious storage solution, allowing lightning-quick boot times and near-instant loading of your applications and games. You'll feel the difference right away. The days of slow loading screens are over. Another standout aspect of the BEASTCOM Q3 is its design and build quality. Every unit is hand-assembled with precision, and before it leaves the factory, it undergoes strict quality control and performance testing. This ensures reliability right from the start. And let's not forget the aesthetics. The Q3 comes with customizable RGB lighting, turning your gaming setup into a visually stunning experience. The RGB case isn't just for looks. It's well ventilated and designed for efficient airflow, keeping temperatures low and performance consistent during long gaming sessions. Connectivity is also solid here. The Q3 offers 8 USB ports, built-in Wi-Fi, and all the essentials for a modern setup. Whether you're connecting gaming peripherals, external drives, or streaming gear, there's no shortage of options. And with Windows 11 Pro pre-installed, you're ready to go right out of the box, no long setup times or bloatware to remove. The Beast Guarantee is another reason to feel confident about your purchase. If your PC experiences issues within the first 30 days, BEASTCOM will replace it for free. On top of that, you get a 1-year all-in warranty, so you can game and work worry-free. That level of customer support shows the company's commitment to standing behind its products, something not every pre-built PC manufacturer offers. When it comes to real-world use, users have praised the BEASTCOM Q3 for being a silent performer. Despite its power, the air cooling system keeps noise to a minimum, making it perfect for gaming, streaming, or working in quiet environments. Reviewers consistently note its smooth gameplay, fast boot times, and reliable day-to-day performance. With an average rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars, it's clear that customers are happy with their purchase. If you're a gamer on a budget or someone looking for a capable, future-proof machine for general use, the BEASTCOM Q3 is a fantastic option. It offers modern specs, quality craftsmanship, and the performance you need to handle today's tasks and games. You can easily upgrade the RAM or add a dedicated GPU later, giving you plenty of room to grow with your system. To sum it up, the BEASTCOM Q3 is more than just a pre-built gaming PC. It's a versatile powerhouse built for performance, reliability, and style. With AMD Ryzen 5 3400G power, 16 GB RAM, a 1 TB NVMe SSD, RGB design, and Windows 11 Pro, this desktop is ready for work, play, and everything in between. If you're looking for a great all-rounder PC that won't disappoint, this is a machine worth every dollar.